Mike Hughes here. I'm at Sea Experience in Florida, actually close to Miami, but just a little to the side there. And Bonnie, you want to tell us a little bit about Sea Experience?
Of course. We're actually a career development center at dive resort out of Fort Lauderdale, Florida, working with the Bahia Mar Hotel. We do a program called the Total Immersion Program. That's actually GI Bill friendly and voc rehab friendly and everything like that. I'm one of the candidates that came through. We basically take you zero to hero from day one open water all the way to a dive instructor. You can take the instructor course, resort operations specialist, and then we also have Eco Pro classes with Alex. He's a very well-known guy.
So the Eco Pro program is here, but you'll also see that, I mean, he's written the Beneath the Blue Planet book for eco diving and whatnot.
Yes, sir.
So,
other than that, if you just want to come dive with us, we go out every day. We do a wreck and a reef every day, and we also have reef cleanups every Thursday where we actually give out supplies from seakeepers and everything like that, so we can kind of police up our reefs as much as possible.
Okay.
Lionfish, we work with Zookeeper, so we do some derbies every once in a while with them. So quite a fun experience with us, and hopefully you come out and check us out.
Okay, and to check you out, we would go to seaxp.com. I'm going to just zoom in on this so you can see it right here. And if they go there, they can find everything else out. Thank you very much.
Cheers, Mike.